Okay, here's a real quick video on how to install an EA once you have a MT4 account made up. Okay, so what you want to do is, if you're on a Lambda, let's close this one. If you're on a Lambda, you go to File, Open Data Folder right here. Open that up. Okay, come down till you see the MQL4. Okay, enter that folder, go to Experts. Okay, and this, let's just open this up. This is all our bots, all the bots I have. Okay, so we're going to be installing this this No Sleep EA file right into this folder. So basically, if I didn't have it already, you're in this folder, you right click, copy, right click again, paste once you're into this thing, and bam, and then you shut it down. You shut down the MT4 totally, jump back into it. Okay, okay, and once you're back up and running on it again, then you're going to go into View, Navigator, and of course, you know I'm always in on this thing, so here you go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, oh, yo, and markets are open. Shit, didn't know that. Okay, I see things starting to move. So markets have been open for what, a half hour? I guess. See, I get busy doing stuff. Okay, where am I? Okay, so it looks like I'm going down a little. Okay, so here's the deal with that. Okay, let's go to, say I want to install this EA right here on US. Let's say I don't know, US ChefCAD and EuroCAD, man, really I hope we're not going into the negative on that thing, but who knows. But I'm going to go ahead and open up this EA on EuroCAD just because. So we'll find EuroCAD is right here, this one right here. I'm going to take it. I'm going to right click or basically left click mouse, bring it, drag it, keep it pushed down. See how it's dragging that little square around? And then I'm going to drop it right there. Then this window is going to come up. Okay? I'm going to edit this box. Boom. 0, 1. Because I don't want to open up that big a lot size. But if you're on a demo account, go ahead and just keep the regular settings. Okay? And then just OK. OK. Okay, and now you see this bot is actually working on this account now. Okay, so that is that, and I'm just going to keep that one open for now. I probably shouldn't even do it, but hey, because it looks like it's moving in the opposite direction of me, so maybe it'll open up some buys. Who knows what it will do. But that's it. Okay, so, and then just keep your computer open and let this thing run. Okay, markets open on 5 p.m. Sunday, and they close 5 p.m. Friday, so it's open 24 hours till then. It only closes like a day or so. Closes at 5 o'clock Friday, reopens 5 o'clock Sunday. So, you know, you have all day Saturday to do it. So you have, like, I don't know, what is it, 48 hours? Well, something like that. But anyhow, but that's it. Okay, and everything is honky-dory. Okay? So we'll see what it does. Okay, have a good night, guys. Let's make some money this week.